cats.
Oh, and look at that bunny.
And look at that. Oh, that's mortifying.
Why is that pet dog like that?
Correction, that's not a pet. It's a maybe it once was, but now it's a stray.
Put her on the. You know, where you can wrap her.
I want to go and tell.
She's like, no.
It's waiting to be let inside.
Aww. Actually, she's probably rolling on something.
Many pets are abandoned every day. Their owners thought they could just release them into the wild and everything would be the same.
But really, that's killing them.
Pets belong snoozing by the fire, not in the rain feeding themselves.
If you want to help them, please contact 3337 or PAWSAtlanta and donate these items: cat toys, dog toys, scratching posts, old pillows, blankets, towels, milk bones,
Newspaper, leashes,
cat
food,
harnesses,
dog food, bandanas.
and bleach.
Make sure that you come down September 8th for Adoption Day at PAWSAtlanta,
Where your true love awaits.